In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound on YouTube. If you're playing a YouTube video and everything looks fine, but you can't hear a thing, don't worry. We're going to walk through the most common causes and how to fix them, step by step, in a simple and clear way. First, let's start with the easiest thing to check: the volume on the YouTube player itself. Look at the bottom of the video and find the little speaker icon. If you see an X next to it, that means the video is muted. Click the speaker icon once to unmute it, then drag the volume slider to the right to turn it up. Even if it doesn't look muted, it's still worth sliding the volume up and down once, just to be sure it's responding. Next, check your device's volume. On a computer, use your keyboard or system controls to raise the volume and make sure it's not muted. On a phone or tablet, use the physical volume buttons and confirm that media volume is turned up, not just ringtone volume. If you're using headphones or external speakers, make sure they're firmly plugged in or properly connected over Bluetooth, and that their own volume controls are turned up. If you still don't hear anything, try another video. Sometimes a single YouTube video can have audio issues, but others will play fine. Search for a different video or play something you know has sound, like a music video. If other videos work, the problem is likely with that one upload, not your device. If none of the videos have sound, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening the YouTube app or browser. This can clear small glitches. On a browser, you can also try a different browser entirely to see if the issue is specific to one. It's also helpful to test audio outside of YouTube. Play a local music file, a different streaming site, or a notification sound. If you don't hear anything anywhere, the issue is probably with your device's audio settings or hardware, not YouTube itself, and you may need to restart your device. Finally, make sure no other apps are taking over your audio output, like communication apps or audio routing tools. Closing background apps and then trying YouTube again can often bring the sound back. Follow these checks in order, and in most cases, you'll have your YouTube sound working again in just a few minutes.